How to create a new Binance account. Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily create a new account on Binance. But before getting started, make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is download the Binance application from Google Play Store or App Store. And once you have downloaded the app, just make sure to open it up, and once you land on the home page, you just want to tap on the sign up or login button, and it will take you to the login portal. So if you already have an account, you can just simply tap on login to create a login to your account directly. To create a new account, just tap on create a Binance account. And first thing you need to do is provide your email address or phone number. So just go ahead and tap on your email address and then tap on next. Now you will be asked to verify your email, so go ahead and confirm your verification and enter your code. So I'm just going to enter my code right here. And once you enter the code like this, all you have to do now is just tap on next, and it will automatically take you to this page where you have to create your password. So it should be 8 to 128 characters long. It should have at least one number and one uppercase letter. Now, once you meet all of the criteria for passwords, tap on next, and from here you should be logged into your account. Now just go ahead and log into your account using the same email address and password that you've just created. Now, once you land on your account, you will have to verify your identity. So just tap on verify identity. For this, you'll need a government issued ID. It should be your passport or ID card, or it could be your driver's license. Just tap on continue, and you'll have to upload your document verification, which is clear and it should be visible on both sides. Then you'll just have to take a short video call for your ID verification. And once the Binance agent picks up your call, you should have your ID with you to verify. And once all of the verification process is complete, you should be able to use your account completely and enjoy the additional features of your Binance. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.